Hello everybody, in this new tutorial video for beginners level in Revit. Today I will show you in this video how to hide element. So when you are working on a project in Revit and you want to hide element such as this railing, just select the element, then go to temporary hide isolate and hide the element. But the problem here, the blue outline is annoying. And if you shut down or restart your computer and start it up again, you will see the element is reappeared and is no longer hidden. So there is more permanent way of hiding element. But at first we will reset the hidden element by click here, reset temporary hide element. Then to hide as a permanent way, select on the element, then go to the view, then go to the a little light bulb, click it on and hide element. Now if you want to see where all the hidden elements, you have to go to the same light bulb here in the bottom and click on it, then choose what you want to reset. Let's click on the rail here, then we click on unhide element. Thank you for watching.